Account Edge Accounting for Business Review. Watch before using. Most people underestimate how much stress bad accounting software creates, and you won't believe how many businesses lose money simply because their books are a mess. Account Edge is a desktop-based accounting software designed for small and mid-sized businesses that want full control over their financial records. It covers invoicing, payroll, inventory, banking, and financial reporting. Here's what most people get wrong. They assume cloud accounting is always better, but Account Edge offers offline access, meaning your data stays on your computer, not just on remote servers. This is ideal for businesses that prefer data control or operate in areas with unreliable internet connections. You can still generate invoices, record expenses, and manage payroll without being online. Account Edge also supports inventory tracking, purchase orders, job costing, and detailed financial reports. This makes it useful for retail stores, contractors, and service-based businesses. However, the surprising truth is that Account Edge has a learning curve. It is more powerful than simple bookkeeping tools, but that also means it takes time to master. Account Edge is best for businesses that want strong reporting, offline control, and detailed accounting features without monthly cloud fees. The surprising truth is that clear financial data is one of your most powerful business tools. Account Edge helps keep your numbers accurate and organized. If you want control, stability, and powerful reporting, Account Edge is worth considering. Subscribe to the channel for more honest accounting software reviews and business tools.